Well, it's great since she's been here because, we have our child back, our daughter back, our wonderful, precious child that we love so much that we hadn't seen for so long. It's not the cure-all. There's no magic formula. However, they do provide a great framework from which to establish boundaries, kind of rediscover or rebuild a relationship together with your child, and hope for the future. And it's great because at Shepherd's Hill Academy there's no external noise. They can really hear the truth, particularly the gospel, which, for anyone who believes that God is good knows that there's no other source of truth or anything else that will solve their problems.